Here's how to turn off Face ID on your iPhone. If you'd rather unlock your iPhone with your passcode instead of Face ID, I'll show you two options. You can either disable Face ID for unlocking your iPhone while keeping it set up, or completely remove Face ID from your device. First, open the Settings app. At the top, tap the search bar and type Face ID. Then tap Face ID and Passcode and enter your iPhone passcode when prompted. If you only want to stop using Face ID to unlock your iPhone, simply turn off the toggle next to iPhone Unlock under Use Face ID for. From now on, your iPhone will ask for your passcode every time you unlock it, while your Face ID data will remain saved. If you want to remove Face ID completely, there's one more step. Scroll down and tap Stolen Device Protection. If this feature is turned on, you'll need to disable it first. Depending on your security settings, your iPhone may require a 1-hour security delay before the change takes effect. Once Stolen Device Protection is turned off, go back to the Face ID and Passcode screen. Scroll up and tap Reset Face ID. Your Face ID will be removed immediately, and your iPhone will use your passcode for unlocking and other protected features. If you ever want to use Face ID again, simply return to Face ID and Passcode and choose Set up Face ID. And that's it. That's how you turn off or completely remove Face ID on your iPhone.